how to increase your mining rate in Pi. I'm showing us few steps or what you can do in this video to increase your mining rate. You can see here it's showing 0.01 as the rate for this account. That's the mining rate. So if you want to increase it, you can tap on this place to see on it loading. So this is how it will open for you. Total mining rate in this account is showing 0.0145. So you can see this is the base rate. The base rate for each account now is 0.0029 for almost everybody that's mining Pi. So you can boost it. Number one, you can boost it by increasing your security cycle. What is the meaning of security cycle? These are people that you refer or that you know. You can add them up. So let's check here. For this account 100%, we will go back up here. You can see this particular place. This is where I can add security cycle. You tap on this figure here. I see like heart. So you can add people. For me, I've added 5 persons already. So if you want to add, you just click on add anybody. Let's say from the people that are managed under you, you can click on add. These are persons that I've added here. So I can either remove or add more. So if I want to add more, click on add existing Pi user. So these are the ones here I've already added. So you add people that you are sure of. So for example, if I want to add this person, I just tap on add. Sorry, I just tap on add. So automatically it's added. So this I can add 5 persons. By adding that, you are boosting your mining rate. So if I want to remove the person, I can remove the person back. I can go back like this, and if you want to move anybody that is not active, so that it will not delay your amount of Pi to be migrated to mine it, you can remove anyone that is not active. This person is not active, and I go to remove the person. Delete. So I've removed this person. These are people that are active that I left them here. So this is number one step. By what? By increasing their security cycle. Now you go back again, tap on this place to go back, and then go to the second step. The second step on how to increase your mining rate is referral. If you refer anybody, you earning 4 times 0.2%. So you go to refer people. Try to refer. You can copy a link, a referral link, and send to anybody. Of course, this is where you can get your referral link. Click on invite. So you can invite anybody from here to join your team. So secondly, or the third one rather is the utility bonus. Utility bonus is using the Pi browser. You can use the Pi browser. You can go to Fireside, and from there you earn more. You can see this account is earning 0.4 from utility bonus. So let's go to the Pi browser so I can show you how you can earn from the utility bonus. Let me minimize and go to Pi browser. This is Pi browser here, waiting for it to load. So once you come to the Pi browser, you come to Fireside. These are places you can give you more utility bonus. Come on Fireside and tap on Fireside. It's loading. So once the Fireside opens, there are a few things you may need to do. First of all, you need to have a profile. If you don't have a profile, you tap on profile and create a profile. Yes, create a profile. Then you can, if you want to earn tokens, you can earn tokens, my tokens. You can watch ads. You can buy Pi Fireside icon with Pi, but don't put your phaser ways. So because you're asking for phaser with me, I don't do that for now. I'm not advise you want to do that, to put phaser ways here for now. So you can get this Fireside token by watching video. Click on watch ad. Just click on watch ad. The ad will play.
Secret apps they don't want you to know about.
So this is an ad I just played. So
it's called Nova AI. You can literally ask it to do anything. So I asked it to.
So sometimes to be patient for the alpha to play. Can you see it's counting here? 1 second, it is done. So you cannot tap on this place to shift it and click on X to cancel it. So it's congratulations, you are adding the tokens you receive. We are adding the tokens you receive from watching to an ad to Fireside account. So before I have 23.5 years, I don't watch that. So I have 22, now it is 23. I added one. So I think in a day you can watch 5 videos after every 5 hours or 8 hours. You can watch 5 ads every 8 hours. So this is basically what you can watch as you can. So that had to boost this particular utility bonus. Then the last one is you can run a node on your laptop. If you have a free laptop, you can run a node. If you want me to do video on that, on how to run a node, I can do video on that. Comment in the comment section so I can do a video how I can run a node here and earn more Pi. So these are the basic way, the steps or secret to increase your mining rate. Another step where how you can increase your mining, which I skip, I'm adding it now, is for you to go to mainnet. Tap on these 3 lines here, go to mainnet and increase your lockup. This configure lockup rate. So the higher the percentage lockup, the higher the mining rate. Can you see this is increasing by 15.7%? If I increase it to 100%, it takes it to 17.3%. If you take it to 200%, it takes higher. So then lockup duration. If you increase the lockup duration, it increases the mining rate to 86%. So this is how you can also increase your mining rate. Once you are done here, you now click on increase commitment and it will work. So for me, I leave it as this, as it is, like this. So once you finish your setup, you click on increase commitment. So success. So once it's done like this, this another way you can increase your mining rate. So thank you. Let's meet in the next video. Pi still has a great potential. So if you have found value in this video, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, subscribe so you can be getting updates on Pi and many other crypto projects and how you can make money online. So I name Mr. Anayoluk from Media Official. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.